Moving on to the display, we've got a 6.67-inch AMOLED 120Hz display with a peak brightness of up to 2200 nits. That's insanely bright. It's perfect for outdoor use. Resolution is 1080 by 2460 pixels, giving us a sharp 395 ppi, and of course the display is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. But here's the kicker: the AMO 28 Ultra has a secondary 1.04-inch AMOLED display on the back with a resolution of 340 by 340 pixels and 500 nits brightness, which is perfect for notifications or quick glances. Under the hood, the device is rocking the Android 15 powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, a 4nm powerhouse, with the Immortalis G720 MC12 GPU. This thing should be able to handle anything you throw at it. It has 16GB of RAM and a massive 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage with microSD card support for even more storage expansion. You're not going to run out of space at any time. Now let's talk about the cameras. At the back of the phone is a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP Sony IMX989 1-inch sensor, a 64MP night vision camera with 4 infrared lights, a 50MP ultra wide angle lens, and of course the big difference: the thermal version has a ThermalView T2 thermal camera with 640 by 512 resolution. The standard version has the night vision camera only. Video recording goes up to 8K at 30fps and 4K at 60fps with gyro EIS for stabilization. The selfie camera is a 50MP wide angle lens capable of 1080p videos. For audio, we've got a loudspeaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is great for those who still prefer wired audio. Connectivity is top notch with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and other essential navigation systems. The device also supports NFC. It has an infrared port, FM radio, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 with DisplayPort 1.4 and OTG. And in terms of sensors, the AMO 28 Ultra has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner